Good morning, everyone. So today, wala akong boses. Well, anyway, today is March 30, 2024, and we're going back to London. So today, we're gonna be spending spring, Easter Sunday tomorrow with my friends sa bahay nila. So we're going there tomorrow. At today, para makapag-celebrate tomorrow. Ano ba yung pinagsasabi ko? Well, anyways, hope you will like this video. And don't forget to put a comment, like, subscribe to this channel. And follow me into my other socials at Pau Catalan. Okay? Tara na guys. It's currently 4 a.m. and yung train ko is 4:47. So, nag-book na ako ng Uber. And I'm having a problem with my Uber kasi ito na naman siya with the 59.99. So, hopefully, ma-fix na to soon. Anyways, okay. See you later. Ayan, nasa train station na tayo guys at walang katao-tao. Tahimik ka. Well, anyways, this is our train na. We're waiting na lang for boarding. Kasi 4:47 pa naman siya, pero 4:34 pa lang. So, let's just wait a little bit and we're going to London! Hi guys! Nasa train na tayo ngayon. As on time siya, 4:47. And as you can see, wala akong kasama sa tren. Solo natin, oh. Ganun ba? Ganun ba ang perks ng ano? Tag dito? Perks ng early bird? And anyways, I'm gonna continue this. Nakarating na tayo, guys. Kasi alam niya naman yung usual routine. But anyways, we're here in EMR. Iba na siya compared to sa dati kung mga sinasakyan from Litchfield. But anyways, it will take 1.5.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, welcome on board this
Sige,
for
see you
47
later.
East Midlands.
We're here. Outfit for today. Hello guys.
Say hello.
Say hello.
Say hello.
Hello po.
Hello.
Busy. Hi. Ang ngiti naman siya.
Hello.
She's enjoying her ice cream. And nasa background namin yung cherry blossoms na pinagpicturean namin a while ago. Doon din naman kami dadaan mamaya, kaya mapapakita ko rin. So, we're currently here in St. James Park. Yeah, and busy pa si Madam. So, and pa-enjoyin muna natin ang ice cream niya, okay? True. Yan. A glimpse of St. James Park. So, parang may pailog dun. Mahilig daw si... Ayan, ibang ibon yan, oh. Well, anyways, mahilig daw si Princess Diana dumalaw dito. Kasi malapit lang to sa Buckingham, guys. So, ayan. Isa na lang halos na nakita naming full bloom na cherry blossom. Kaya, maraming nagpipicture-picture. So, ayan. Tsaka kami nagpicture-picture kanina. Yan, dami nila ngayon. Kanina medyo nabukasan. Oo. Ay, ano pa. Tapos, ito, dyan namin binili yung ice cream ni Biana. Yun nga, yan o. Yan siya. Siguro mas full bloom siya ng mga earlier this month. So yeah, papa-ear piercing kami. Let's go guys! Hi guys! So galing kami doon sa St. James Park and then we're looking for milk tea. Ito yung milk tea na napinta namin. Just gonna show the sellers. Ito yung pinili ko. Passion fruit with orange. Ayan naman. Prices na. Very nice. Ang ganda pa naman. Sarap.
Ito ka pala!
Oh, nandito pala kayo?
Kita pa! Look!
Hi! So, milk tea break.
Second one done as well, darling, or third?
Oh, third. It's gonna be
Third,
the
both
third.
here.
Both ears.
Oh, yeah, both ears. Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna have our ears pierced.
Do you have earrings in right now?
No.
Yan na sit there, ano?
Darling, this is your one coat for me. You put in your bag, yeah? Yours. Thank you. Are you gonna pay together after? Or separate?
Separate,
And then
please.
I'll give you another one for that.
Okay. Front and back, right?
And then that's it.
What's your name?
What's your name,
What's your name?
She's shy, yeah?
She's very shy.
How old is she?
How old are you, Viana? She's 3.5.
10? Oh my god. Big girl now, yeah? Soon she's
She's a
ready.
big girl. Shy type.
My son is the same, not like her.
Oh, wow. Come on.
It takes like 20 minutes to warm up.
Viana,
Oh,
Viana,
yeah,
can you hold my hand?
So you can go halves.
Yeah.
You come at good time, you know? Quiet now.
Yeah.
Good time.
This is gonna be fast.
Ay, wala pa pala. Pwede ko bang tanggalin ako? Ako.
Hello.
I'm gonna make it a bit lower down.
Okay.
Just gonna clean that up.
Ano ibig sabihin ng
Okay.
gold-plated? Ano ibig sabihin ng gold-plated? Ano ibig sabihin ng
And you
gold-plated?
tell me how you feel about this doll.
Okay. Yep.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
Oh, and I'll do
Ano
this.
ibig sabihin ng gold-plated?
Yeah. What does gold-plated means?
So it's plated in gold basically. So like the earring is covered in gold.
Okay.
And I'll just do the other side.
Why don't you sit here? You wanna sit here?
Thank you.
Let's wait for that to finish. Come on.
And I'm just gonna have a look and see if they're
Sure.
even.
We're gonna wait.
And you tell me if you want me to change either of them.
You gonna help sir? Are you okay?
Yeah, I think so.
It's good? Okay.
Thank you. Ready? Woohoo.
Right, I'm just gonna put some of your solutions. Okay?
Just sit
Okay.
there. Just sit there.
Yana.
Mas maganda. Shy type na siya. Ah, pag
ito binili ko, matatanggal. Hindi siya gold plated.
Oo. Oo. Ano lang siya?
Baka mga yung pack.
Hindi siya pure.
Ay, nawala. Okay lang. Nag-drunk pa rin.
Kinilabutan ako.
Talaga nag-black.
Oo, Thank you.
And I'll do this.
Kami.
And now I push it in and then...
Masakit ba?
Nakakagulat lang.
I'm sorry.
It's a little bit stings, but it's okay. Heartbreak is still more
Can we
painful.
drink alcohol after this?
I think so. You should be okay.
It lessens the pain.
No, because we're going to a party tonight.
Yeah.
And then tomorrow. So.
I think you can drink.
This part is the painful part. So
Yeah.
It's okay, Diana.
one second.
Is it the one putting the lock on? Yeah. It's okay.
Yeah, and this part will not part.
Diana, are you okay?
Viana, do you want to sing Old MacDonald?
Yes, please.
Siya, type siya.
Meron siyang, meron ganyan si Diana eh. Kasi di ba nagpaganito siya?
This is the painful
Yeah.
It's because of thickness. I'm just gonna sanitize my hands and take this one because I can't do it.
Okay. Hello guys, we're back at home. Nagpa-ear piercing pala kami. Parang gusto ko pang dagdagan. And I think kasama siya sa vlog. So, umuwi muna kami, change outfit. And later we're going to the despedida party. So far, na-enjoy niyo ba? But anyways, sana may ma-share ako onti sa mga ganap dito sa London. Okay? Bye! Good morning, guys! So today is Easter Sunday and we're having this outside our home. This is Viana's Bouncy Castle! At dahil dyan, so yeah, set up ko lang guys. Sana hindi tumumba. Okay, happy Easter guys. Let's play. Okay, let's go, let's go. Sige, makita. Ready? Let's jump. Jump together. And ready? That's it now. Yay! George. Oh no! Help! Mas nag-enjoy kayo matanda. Gonna have a celebration here later. See you guys!